Okay. So here I am, I'm working with Babe. I'm trying to get her, oh, I gotta center this a little bit better. Okay, I'm trying to get her to go out and rap a little bit with a bit more enthusiasm. So I know she loves the treat and train, so I'm just gonna use that for building a bit of drive. I've tried toys, I've tried cheese, I've tried meat, but I think the treat and train might actually be just a little bit more enervating for her, so I'm gonna try that. Tick, which is clockwise. Okay. Good girl. You ready? Rap, rap. Grab it. I want her going in a little bit faster into that rap. So just speed up her entry. Move it a little further away. Rap. Rap. Good girl. Good girl. Ready? Rap. Good girl. Rap. Woohoo! Go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Rap. Rap. She's starting to anticipate the treat and train, so I'm going to make her do 3 on the next one. Rap. Good girl. Rap. Good girl. Rap. Good girl. Rap, 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 rap. Yay! Good girlie. Woohoo! Maybe just 1 on the next one. Rap. Yes. Right on. Good girl. Build it back up to 3 if I get a bit of enthusiasm. She's going in slow. I want to speed it up. Rap. Let's speed that up. Good girl. Ready? Rap. Good girl. Rap. She's starting to slow down, so I think it's time to stop and rap. 1 more time. Yeah. We'll end on a good note. Sorry, love. They didn't get anything of that. Oh, sorry, love. Hey, look at me. Tick. There you go. Catch it. Yeah, we'll stop there.